Well, what if there was a way for you to get paid to eat? Well, guess what? There is. Stick around and I'll tell you about it. Well, if you've ever wondered what it was like to be a mystery shopper, I suggest checking out CoyleHospitality.com, and Coyle is C-O-Y-L-E, hospitality.com. And there are tons, at least in my town, in the Phoenix area, tons of restaurants and hotels where people can stay as mystery shoppers and then fill out surveys to give feedback to the people who own the places so that they can, adjust the training for their employees and that kind of stuff, and adjust the quality control of their product and food and that kind of stuff. So I've only done it one time. I went to a restaurant and I was paid for my meal and then also $15 on top of that to fill out the survey afterward. And my wife and I thought that this would be such a neat way to kind of supplement our income, because you not only get free meals, but you get paid for your time. So our thinking was that when we get a babysitter to hang out with our kids so we can continue to date each other, we can have our meal paid for and even have a couple extra bucks for the sitter. So what I'll do right now is I'll go and I'll jump on my computer and I'll log in to my account at CoyleHospitality.com, and I'll show you what it looks like, and hopefully it looks like something that you might consider doing as well, and we'll go from there. So I'll see you in just a second. All right, you guys, so here I am at CoyleHospitality.com. You'll see it up here in the address, and you can see for mystery shopping, they have hotels and restaurants, cruises, spas, new home sales where you can go and talk to home builders, retail, and I'm not really sure what dealer networks are. All you have to do is go down and click Learn More, and it'll take you right here where you can evaluator registration, and you can just click this button right here to become a potential evaluator. And it does take a few weeks to get set up, so don't think that you're going to sign up and then that weekend be able to go out for a fancy sushi meal that's paid for. So you know what? Let me share a different screen with you now. So this is inside my Coyle dashboard, and you can see right now there are 1,900 open opportunities. So I'll click on that, and then I'll sort by the city just so you can kind of see what there is. And I live in Scottsdale, so I'll do that and hit enter. So you'll see here are all the restaurants. And TFK must be a restaurant group. FRC is Fox Restaurant Group. They own some of the trendiest restaurants in town, like 10 or 12 of the trendiest restaurants. This one's, Culinary Dropout. This one's called North, up at a place called Kierland. So it shows you they're looking for a full-service dinner evaluation, and I'll show you what it looks like in there. So the full-service dinner evaluation, they pay $15 for your time, and it will reimburse up to $125 for dinner. So it's an amazing deal. And one of the first restaurants that really sparked my interest and my wife's interest was a really fancy sushi restaurant here in town. And we did put in to evaluate that restaurant, but we weren't chosen because we were brand new, and it reimbursed a lot of money. And it also included alcoholic beverages. Sometimes they ask you to get 2 alcoholic beverages because you'll be evaluating the bar service and the drinks as well. But I think that what they do is they start you on less expensive outings, I guess, so to speak. And then once you've proven that you can fill out the survey properly and you are a reliable mystery shopper, then you eventually get better restaurants where you can spend more money and that kind of stuff. So you'll see it's almost all restaurants that I'm looking at here in the Scottsdale area. Full service lunch evaluation. Here's a to-go evaluation, so call it in and then pick it up and leave. I'm trying to think if there's really much else to show you. Let's see. So I think maybe it makes sense to show you guys my last paycheck, I guess, from them. So that is, let me make sure I'm sharing the right screen. All right, so here is the statement. So you can see it was in October, it was a couple months ago. But I got paid $15 for my time and reimbursed $30.69 for the meal for the 2 of us. And I got reimbursed a total of $45.69 through PayPal. So this is a pretty neat way to get free food in your belly and get out of the house and to do something different, maybe try some new restaurants. And I hope that this got your gears turning and got you thinking. And I hope Coyle works for you and has opportunities in your town. So I will talk to you soon. So that was Coyle.com. I hope it's available in your town and something that you think is worth exploring. My wife and I thought, like I said, we've only done it one time, but we thought that the way we would use it was to not only get a free meal on date nights, but also to get paid a couple extra bucks to help subsidize the cost of our sitter so that we can get out and continue to date each other while our kids are watched by someone and taken care of. So if you have kids, maybe it's a good idea for you too, where you can get a free date night out and a couple extra bucks to pay the sitter as well. So I'll check in with you guys soon, and I hope you all have an amazing day. Thanks so much.